Okay, we have decided to pause on the testing, and we're going to look at some new functionality. So if you've seen all of my videos, we kind of use some of the recommendations from Claude to come up with some ideas, and I think working on each of these is probably a good idea. So we're going to ask Claude, we're going to do a new chat in our project, and we're going to say in our application we currently going to offer email verification for newly registered users. Can you please create this functionality, maintaining the same code standards that we already have and ensuring appropriate separation of concerns. I want the code base to remain highly modular and follow industry best practice. Cool. Oh, that's working. I'm just going to check we can. Oh, it's not going to log in because we're not running the server, I don't think. Oh no, we are. Good, fantastic. Just want to check nothing had broken. Alright, certainly. I'll create an email verification functionality for newly registered users, maintaining the existing code standards, blah, blah, blah. Email verification. So this is going to be in services email verification / service. Alright, let's just wait for it to finish. Are there any? Give me the full list of packages to install. We've already got a heap of these. Alright. Okay, it looks like it only needed node mailer. Okay, cool. npm node mailer. Alright, so let's go through this. So we're going to have an email verification service that sits in services. So we're going to have oh my god, I hate how it does this. Services. And in services, it's going to be email verification.service.js, email verification.service.js. Okay. Copy that. What's it? Send verification. Please follow the link. Please verify your email. Okay, so it's just clicking the link to verify it. Updated user model. User models. User. Let's have a look at what changed here. So we got our email, password, company, role, is email verified, timestamps. So they only added is email verified. Type boolean, true or false, and oh Jesus, boolean. Default is false. Great. Updated registration service. Okay. So if we go to our registration service, register user. So I don't want these console logs everywhere. Doing my head in. If existing user, registration failed, let company, await company.create. It's all the same. Catch error, throw error, let user, try user.create, and then we have to update this. So is email verified false? Is email verified false? New user created. Don't want that. That's error. JWT, refresh JWT, await token.create. So after this try catch block, we have another try catch where, okay, let's just copy and paste this, be quicker. I was going to write it out, but we can't paste. So try const verification token equals email verification service dot generate verification token. Send verification email, so we send the email to the user with the token. We're catching any errors, but we're not throwing an error, so the registration process can complete. Makes sense. And then logger.info, return. Okay. Add that. I wonder what happens, like if the user isn't verified, if the user doesn't verify within a certain amount of time, do we delete them? So if the user doesn't verify in a specified time frame, do we delete the user? Alright, that's our registration service. Email verification controller. So control. It's kind of done these separate. It's annoying. It's created some generic services controllers. I wanted separation of concerns in like we've done with the registration and login. We could have had like an email verification function. Anyway, we will fix that up at a later point. So we'll go controllers, and we'll call this email verification dot controller. So looks good. Email verification routes. So again, it's created a generic routes folder. Ah, already exists, obviously. Routes. As I've done this, I've just thought, I should have put it in the right folder structure from the beginning, but anyway. Whoop. Alrighty. Update main routes. Yep. And then email service. Utils email service. Email.service.js. Okay. Alrighty. Add your email production service configuration here. How do I... is there a way to use my personal Gmail account as the email service for testing purposes? No, I don't really want to do that. Okay, I don't really want to do that. Is there another quick way to test the functionality is working? Great. So email service. Verification service. Send verification email. Send verification email, return result. So just all of that. Save. Updated registration controller. Why did we change that? Okay. Sweet. Now, awesome. Do I still need to update? Don't think I need to update the .env file. All right, let's test this out. So we will go. Okay, app crashed. Why? Module not found. Cannot find module registration routes. Module not found. Index. Node.js. Here's my index. Oh, hang on. Yeah. So it's not in. Oh, it's done all login and because it thinks all of our routes are just in their common folder. So we need to go into registration / and then here go login routes. Okay, that should work. Happy days. All right, let's go to Postman. Oh, what crashed? Email verification controller. Email verification routes. It's only up one directory level. Two controllers. Yeah, that works. And service, same thing. What can't I find? Oh, sorry, in the controller. I can't find the service. That's because, yeah. Services. Save that. Crashed again. In the services, email verification service. Can I find module services? Oh, yeah, I'm stupid. This was the registration service. That didn't need changing. It was now what does it need? Cannot find in email verification controller. Email verification service. Email verification routes. Email verification service equals. Can't find module. Just imported it though. It's a simple error, but like it's nearly 9:30 at night. Yeah. There's a typo. Control. I messed the R far out. Rename control. And then it won't be able to find it in our routes file. Cannot find controllers. What email? Oh, what am I doing? Honestly, I'm meant to be in the controller. Can't find the service. Why can't I find services? Email. Why is it saying this? It's probably another spelling mistake. This is going to be a spelling mistake issue, I can tell. Oh my god. Email. Services. Email. Yeah, I miss I. Fucking hell. Told you. It hasn't been. Okay, that worked. Now we can go to register, test 2, ABC Corp 2, send. There it is, and there's the preview email. Oh. Verify your email by clicking here. Verify. Okay, great, that worked. So, great. I received an email and a link. Oh, and registration controller. When I've clicked the link, it's called some other functionality. Services, email, can't find this module because of the spelling mistake. So where have we got this called? say receive an error message. We'll update this. Sanitize. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Middle. Wow. Save that. Update email verification routes. So what did it change here? Additionally, you might want to update email verification to handle. Oh, of course. Okay. I think this is why it was failing. I didn't even think of that. So obviously, when we call this, it's a GET request to that URL API endpoint, and we don't have a GET request for it currently. So that was a stupid mistake. So email verification routes, we copy this, paste that, and then we also need to update our main routes. I think we've already done that. Email verification. Let's click the link again. Error, not found. The route's not found because email verification user ID. With our route, with the route that the GET request hit, I think it is failing and returning a 404 because the email string 404 because the so I think we just need to update this. Yep. Discrepancy between the route we define the actual URL is calling 404. Let's fix this by updating the routes. It didn't change anything. Oh no, it did. Verify email. Save that. And then what did they... Let's make sure these routes are properly registered in your mount routes. Really? Send verification email. Okay. And then what was that file in? Email verification service. Send. Save. And then what I'm going to do, because I'm sick and tired of having to edit my videos to hide my Mongo URI string, which includes my password for my MongoDB database, I'm just updating the .m file off screen. Alrighty, let's bring this over here. Let's try again. I don't know how quickly these might time out as well, so I'm just going to register another user. Copy. That didn't work. Copy. Oh my god, why is that not working? Oh, undefined, that's great. controller. Send. You had to restart the server to get the URL to work, but it's saying still not found. It did send though. It's weird. Just gonna bring this off screen so I can see as I hit send what happens. Error, failed to send verification email. Okay, so I did that, and now it says that it fails to send the verification email, but then it does actually send. But when I click on the link, it returns an error. Okay, updated user registration controller. Registration. I think because it wasn't in try catch block, it was doing this, awaiting this, but before it had executed, it immediately moved on to this. Yeah, that's my thought process. Okay, verification controller. Email verification controller. Double check the email verification service. Email verification service. Alright, validation error, not found error. Generate verification token. Send verification email. Verify email. Yep, that's all the same. Okay. Let's register another user. Internal server error. Email result not defined. Registration controller. So, email results not defined in the controller. So I might have missed something there. Yeah, no, you missed something. Can you double check the updated registration controller? It doesn't provide preview email URL again. Please provide all the code. Yep. Good old AI. It's also changed our. It's also changed the error again. It's not using the validation error. So previously we were running into these issues. We had to add this, and now it's forgotten about it again. You're really annoying me, AI. Okay. We will copy all this. Okay. Doesn't fail. Change. Register a new user. Failed to send verification email as a console log that we're seeing. Open this. Verify. Not found. We still see this error before the verification email is actually sent. Okay, let email result. Just changed it. Email. Registration service. Register user. Okay. Existing user, let company, await company.create, let user, token, refresh token, try, token.create, generate and send email verification, logger.info, return. Okay. Copy, save that. Registration controller. And then our controller. Right. It's so annoying because it's not using the same. Sorry, just missing something here. Try const email password confirm password. If password does not equal, result is email password company. We've got this res.status. Okay. Status. Save. Alright, it's working again. Try test user number 8. Send. No errors in the console. Okay. Alrighty. We don't. Okay, so we still get a 404. Root for the emails not properly defined. It is. Oh my god, what's this email verification? Email verification service. I'm going to start there because the other stuff I think is fine. Email verify. Ah, of course. We have the API /v1 part as part of our URL structure, and I think silly mistake. Silly mistake. Invalid or expired token. Okay. Alright, email verification.service. Generate. No. It was previously date.now, so today's date plus 24 times 60 times 60 times 1,000. That was the same. It's just putting a log in. Might as well do that. Actually, it's wrapped it in a try catch block to catch the error. Okay. Is that verification? Update verify. I don't want to just keep adding logs. Email verification controller. Don't know when this would ever, I mean, we don't actually want this to trigger because if no tokens generated, that's a problem on our side. So I'm not going to worry about that. Token cleanup. We won't worry about that either. All right, Control C. Alrighty. Test user 10. No errors here so far. Preview. Invalid. Oh my god. Let's look if there was I found it. It seems like a token was generated, but a different one was sent. See, so this is the token generated, ends 74F, and then this is the token in the email message. Oh no, my bad. That's a message URL. Yeah, that's a message URL. So this is the token. 74F. No, that was wrong, sorry. I just saw a different string there. Okay, understand. Let's first generate. Email service. Let's verify email. Okay, we'll use this. Email verification controller. Add that in. Try. All right. Test user 11. How long has this been going for? An hour working on this functionality. Jesus. All right, no errors in the console. Token not found in database. It's not being saved to the database. So, why is that? Email verification service. This is crazy how long it takes to do this stuff, but still quicker than writing the code myself. Okay. Null verification controller. And then our routes. We've got to bring in get user tokens. All right, save all the changes, restart the server. Let's just do that. And okay, cool. We can do that. So cancel. All right, so we're gonna click. We're gonna look at this endpoint as well. Alrighty, let's go. 12, send. Click on that. Wow, that is so annoying. So it is saying to hit this endpoint, change our user ID to the user ID that we got here. Oh. 10.401. Oh my god. Before I do that, hang on, was it? We're sick and tired of logging details. Show me where. I think it's going down a rabbit hole. Show me. I don't think we updated the model. Token schema. It hadn't done that. So I've just updated the token model to do that. And then email verification service. Token's already imported. Alright, try again. This is one of those things where I think if I was familiar with the process, I might have picked up on something like that. I didn't even think. There we go. Oh man. So it works. An hour and 3 minutes to get that working. And all because of a silly mistake that I didn't even think. I was so... It's kind of a lesson to go slower to go faster, because if I'd thought about it a little bit more, I should have been like, obviously we're saving the token somewhere. And, you know, when I was like, yeah, show me where it's being saved, because I wasn't convinced, and it really just, yeah, I should have read the code. Wow, that's annoying. Okay, well, good news is we've got email verification working. Bad news is we've got 7 messages left because it took so long to get that working. Take that. If you just let's ask ChatGPT this. New chat. I have implemented email verification to my Node.js backend app for registering and logging in users. When the email verification is generated, a token is also created, and the URL must be clicked within 24 hours or the token expires. What is best practice if a user never clicks URL? Should I eventually delete this user? Perhaps only soft delete them? Question mark. Okay, so it does seem we should hard delete them after a while. So I think these are good points though. So this should be allow the user to request new verification email, send reminder emails to verify after X period, send email saying that their account will be deleted if they don't verify, hard delete user after some period of time, perhaps 7 or 30. So that's all good functionality that I think is worth doing. Okay. What I want to do is finish off this functionality and finish the video. In order to do that though, what I'm going to do is I really prefer to keep my code in this is only verifying a user. Email verification controller. Yeah, I'm gonna create a folder, not there, called email verification. Email verification, and I'm going to drag our controller there, move. I'm going to drag our services there, move, and I'm going to drag our routes there, move, yes. Then hopefully everything should have updated automatically. So if we go to our controller, yep, cool, and then delete this generic. I was thinking if we rename it like common services or something, but we can do that later. Delete. Okay, and that is implementing. That is having all of the email verification functionality implemented using AI. So we're going to stop the video there, and I'll start a new one for the next piece.